What's going on, everyone? I have this Mishimoto catch can I'm going to be installing today on this 10th gen Accord 1.5T, and it's pretty simple. This is going to bolt up. I'm going to remove this. This is going to bolt up over here. Catch can's going to hang out somewhere around here. And then you want to plumb it up and good to go. All right, guys. So I got the catch can mounted. This is how it goes. All right, move these two bolts, install the bracket behind the bolt, and then you can even put this back. No big deal. All right, now you're gonna remove this end from the valve cover right here, and then this end from the intake manifold. Be very careful. Loosen it with pliers and then just kind of twist it and work it. Don't try to pry it on an angle because you might crack the intake manifold. Remember, this is plastic. And then you're gonna be replacing the intake manifold. So anyways, you're gonna be removing this. Nice tug. Now, this is gonna go on the out port and into the intake manifold, like so. Then I'll bring the clamps down for now, just so you guys can see. All right, now this other hose obviously is going to go from the other port, the one that's left, and into the valve cover, like so. All right, and then obviously bring all your clamps in. Fix that a little bit. Bring all your clamps in, make sure they're all nice and snug, and then you're gonna start the car and make sure there's no leaks, no air leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and then we'll start and check for that. All right, guys. So here you go. We got it running. No leaks anywhere. Everything looks good. No check engine light. So, there you go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and more installs.